Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how the integration with the CrewAI framework works on Universal Orchestrator. First of all, CrewAI is a Python-based platform that lets users create autonomous agents that might or might not need LLMs to achieve complex or more simple tasks. So once the user has an agent ready and coded in Python, Universal Orchestrator will try to reach it via an image, because this agent has to be encapsulated in an image. I will show you in a second. So let's create a task of type CrewAI. In the connection panel, you need an image. As I anticipated before, this image has to encapsulate and contain the actual agent Python code that will let the agent actually work. Also, if the image is on a registry that is not public, the user might also need a secret, which is my case. And if the user wants the agent to run on a specific namespace that can be indicated here. In my case, I'll just let the agent run on the namespace where my product is installed, so I don't need to give in any information. Whereas in the action panel, you might need an additional secret. This is a secret related to the LLMs. So as you might know, some LLMs might require a further authentication. That's why this might be needed, but it all depends on how the agent is implemented. Same goes for the parameters. Your agent might need them. I will also give in some parameters for my agent. And then I'll add the definition. Once this is done, I can run it. And now I can monitor how it's going. It's still in executing status. It might take a bit to complete. When the run finishes, meaning the agent executed all the tasks that it had to, we can have a look at the task log. In the task log, we'll see our definition. An important parameter is also the verbose logging toggle that is on the UI. If that is toggled to true, you receive much more details about what the agent is doing. I decided not to in order to have a more clear task log. And in the end, we can see the actual results of the agent. These depend on how the agent was implemented, of course, but this is just an example of how flexible CrewAI can be and how Universal Orchestrator can integrate with such a service.